It's Saturday morning and I'm about to attempt something I was warned against doing. They told me the odds were against me, I should never try it. Change my own oil. Do you think I can do it? I think I can, and here's why. Well, I think we've learned quite a bit today. Chief among them, I can change my own oil. I have a little Fonzie in me, and Tony is wrong a lot. We'll see you next week when I attempt to change the wiper fluid.
Give me your time, so take the